Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay December 12, 2025 Friday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2pm draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto.
2D Lotto, 2pm draw result ngayong December 12, 2025 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2pm. 3D Lotto, 2pm draw result ngayong Friday, December 12, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 2pm. 'See you again later for 5pm draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for December 12, 2025, Friday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, December 12, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2pm video for afternoon of December 12, 2025, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.